What's going on YouTube? Today I am installing this active shutter grill on my 2022 L5P Duramax. I have an engine code that I will post below. My grill is not responding, so they said the whole grill has to be replaced. My fuel mileage was absolutely terrible once this part had failed, so my local dealer actually told me to put my winter front on, and it has helped a little bit. But if your fuel mileage has gone terrible and your engine fan is always running and seems like your engine's always screaming, chances are pretty good that guy right there has gone bad. So let's get started. To get this done, I got to remove obviously the winter front, then I got to pull the grill out, and this actually sits in behind the grill. It's not a lot of work, it's just time consuming. Now that the winter front is off, I can start popping out all these rivets up on top, these little push tabs, and start removing the grill. So for the latch, the hood latch handle, it is 2 T15 screws. Once these come out, the handle slides forward. I just put them back so I make sure I know where they are and I don't lose them on the gravel driveway. Next, for the grill is these guys here. From what I see, there's 4 of them to start. And I believe the rest of the grill is just being held in by tabs. Not sure if we can get this down here. So you can see where the grill comes in, clicks into there. Then there's also one down below. Actually, so they'll click into here and here. So in behind this section of the grill, there is a little plastic piece that folds in behind this guy. So to get this guy out, you just pull on the fender flare. There's plastic tabs in here. They pull out. Then there's the same tab here and here. So all you simply do, you just give it a nice tug. That's the little black plastic piece I was talking about. I gotta do the same thing to the other side. Then this grill will be ready to come out. Now that I have both sides popped out, I have some more play. Same with over here. Start with the top. Kind of have to pull up a little bit across the entire grill. And then you can slowly pull the tabs out. When you're pulling the grill off, if you have a front grill camera, don't forget you're going to have a plug right here. It was clipped right there. I'll put that back after. It was right down on the passenger side in the bottom corner. We'll install that back on after. Now, this is the grill shutter. Mine is stuck wide open. Some people get stuck half closed. The dealership said it can happen in all kinds of different ways. Sometimes they freeze and then they try to move and it burns the actuators out of them, or you take a big rock or you hit a bird and it'll break these. Needless to say, mine don't work. Let's get rid of it. So there is one more plug down here, I believe it is. Right here, we're gonna pop that off. And then we got a bunch of 10mm bolts all the way around the exterior. And it should come right out. Once you get all your screws out and your plug unhooked, it simply just pulls right out. Just like that. Installation for the new one is very straightforward. It is literally the exact same thing, just in reverse. This one actually comes with a new sensor. From what I was reading online, some of them don't, and I believe that is your outdoor temperature that would show on your dash. I could be wrong. But if you order one that does not come with this, simply Have to remove it from here, run your wiring, couple zip ties to be able to reinstall it. But this one came with it. I'm pretty sure it's ice buildup like this that caused my grill to fail. If you have any questions, feel free, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.